Hi everybody, welcome to day 7 of this Wake Up and Radiate series. Thank you so much for being a part of this and joining me for this series. I hope that it has filled you up each morning and helped you to feel better, release pain from your body. Today is our last day. I'm really excited for this flow. I saved my favorite one for the last, so I hope that you enjoy it. When you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today we're going to begin in mountain pose. Come to standing on your mat with your feet hip-width distance apart. Give yourself about 1.5 feet or 2 feet from the top of your mat. 2 feet from the top of your mat. Relax your hands down by your side. Draw your shoulders back behind you. Close your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. Again, just like that. Inhale. And exhale. Just continue your breath like this. Try to add 1 second to every inhale and every exhale as you slowly make your breath a little bit longer and a little bit longer. Bring your right hand to your belly and your left hand over your heart. Feel your belly rise and sink with every inhale. And feel your heart beat beneath your left hand. This is a great moment to just give thanks and rest in gratitude that your heart is beating this morning. Gently release your hands down by your side and blink your eyes open. Inhale, mountain pose. Breathe here. Ground down through the 3 corners of each foot. Draw your quadriceps up off of your knees. Draw your tailbone down, tuck your tummy in, and relax your shoulders from your ears. Take another deep breath in. Exhale, baby back bend. Cactus your arms. Squeeze your glutes to avoid from dumping in your low back. Lift your chest up high to the sky. Take a deep breath in. And an exhale. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. Bring your hands through heart center. Let your head and neck hang heavy at the bottom. Inhale, halfway lift. Bring your palms to your shins. Breathe here. Glide your shoulder blades back so that they are kissing together behind you and you're making a flat spine. Take another deep breath in. And exhale, camel pose. Plant your palms, come down to your knees with your knees hip-width distance apart. Rise up, hands on your low back. Lift your chest up to the sky and squeeze your glutes to protect your back. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. If you're generally deeper in your back bends, you can bring your hands down to your feet. Not right at this moment. We are going to flow through this in our sun salutation 8 now. Inhale up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, camel pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, camel pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold forward and down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, camel pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain. And then exhale, release your hands down by your side. Step your feet up to the top of your mat. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms and step your feet back to high plank. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, inhale your right leg up high, remembering to flex your toes and keep your hips squared with your mat. And then exhale, wild thing. Drop your foot down behind you, reaching up over your head. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, I want you to sit your butt down where you are. Bring your right leg down to the ground with your right foot against your left thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, Janu Sirsasana. Fold towards your extended left leg, flexing your toes. Allow your head and neck to hang heavy if that feels good for you. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, plant your palm. Inhale, lift yourself back up to wild thing. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot forward in front of you. Now, rather than dropping down to our back knees, since that's what we've been doing this whole course, you're going to inhale for full crescent. Lift your biceps up by your ears. Square your hips with the front of your mat. Exhale, baby back bend. Goal post your arms. Now we're going to flow between those two. Inhale, reaching forward. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, reach. Exhale, baby back bend. Inhale, crescent. And exhale, pyramid pose. Pyramid pose. Plant your palms. Step your back foot in just a bit. Straighten your front leg, but keeping the micro bend in your knee. And bring your forehead down. You should be feeling a really nice stretch in the back of your right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, step forward into your right foot and exhale to low lunge. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now we'll move through the other side. Inhale your left leg high, flexing your toes, keeping your hips points squared with the ground. And exhale, wild thing. Drop your foot down behind you. Reach your arm up over your head. Inhale. And as you exhale, sit your hips down where you are. Bring your left leg down with your left foot into your right thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up. And exhale, Janu Sirsasana. Fold into your extended right leg, keeping your toes flexed. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, plant your palm. Inhale, wild thing. And exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back bend. 2 more. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, crescent. And exhale, pyramid pose. Plant your palms, step your back foot in, straighten your front leg, and bring your forehead down towards your knee. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, lean forward into your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take just a moment here to pedal out your down dog, bending and straightening one leg at a time. Very, very good. Inhale, come down to your knees, and exhale, take a seat. You just finished day 7 of Wake Up and Radiate. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey. Namaste, yogis.